You being a talented director, actor, business owner, and so much more is not going to make you successful. Taking more classes, improving your brand or product is not going to get you more clients just like that. And that's because everyone is talented. Everyone is trying to be the 1% that makes it. How do I know? Go on Instagram and search hashtag LA models, hashtag LA actors, hashtag entrepreneur. Amazing music, shorts, business ideas over and over again. Unlike 20 years ago, anyone can be anything and we're all fighting to get seen by the right people. The game has changed, all thanks to social media and the internet. That's how I know. But if you don't understand the business to getting work or clients, then you and what you have to offer to this world will be lost in the thousands of people trying to achieve the same thing you are. I don't even have a large social media following. I barely am hitting 2K on Instagram and 15K on TikTok. However, I'm still able to work with large brands like Google and Disney just because of my social media following. And on top of that, work with some influencers, celebrities, and walk a lot of red carpets. I also was able to make passive income online without doing anything, allowing me to spend more time with my family and loved ones and to be able to travel the world. I honestly want you guys to experience the same success or even greater and to enjoy life fully.
I am hosting a workshop on Sunday, March 22nd of 2020 from 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Sunday, March 29th of 2020 in Los Angeles, California. At this mixer, you will not only be able to meet and mingle with industry professionals, but on top of that, you will get your toughest questions answered about what is holding you back from your career and how to scale forward in your industry. It will also be answering some of your toughest questions when it comes to what is holding you back within accomplishing your goals, and we'll be going over how to set your goals in a timely manner that you're able to actually scale up and even further pursue the industry that you want to be in.